Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some homemade apple juice. Yes, I love apple juice guys, but today I'm gonna make homemade. Yes, so here I have 12 apple, okay, and I'm using the red one as you can see, and they are big in size. If you want, you can always use the green one, but I prefer to use the red one because it's more, you know, it's colorful. Yeah, and I'm also gonna add some ginger. So you want to add a good amount of ginger. That's when you're drinking it, you can taste the ginger in it also. So guys, I'm just cutting my apple. You want to make sure that they're nice and clean. Oops, let me push this up. So this is how I cut it. It's a bit difficult guys cutting it on this handle, okay? But I just want to show you guys how I do it. So you can just come like this. Like so. And with this one here, you can just cut around it. Yeah, like so. So all my apple is all cut. So now I'm gonna cut my ginger, okay? And what I did guys, I just cut just around my ginger like this. But make sure guys you give it a good wash, okay? So now I'm gonna cut it up in small pieces. You don't have to remove the skin, yeah? As long as you wash it properly, you're good to go. Yeah, like so. I love ginger in my drinks guys. If you know me by now, I love ginger. I always add in ginger to my drink because it's so refreshing. And ginger is good for you too. It's very good. So here I have my blender jug, and I'm just adding my apple and my ginger to it. Make sure you don't overfill it, okay? So this is how it look like. So now I'm gonna add some water, and I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of water. Yeah, that's it. You don't want to add too much. Now I'm gonna blend it all up. So this is what it look like after I finish blending. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend up my remaining, okay? Just make sure that the ginger is nicely blend, okay? You don't want to see no chunk of ginger, no. So this is perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna strain my drink. So here I have a large bowl, and I'm gonna use one of these mesh. You can always use a strainer, and I'm just gonna put it over it, okay? This thing is really good, guys. When you use this, you don't have to use it 2 times, only 1 time. It make your drink so smooth, I'm telling you. It's like a little bag. So now I'm just gonna pour all my drink into it, like so. So it is all strained, and this is what it look like. It looking so good, guys. And I just taste it, and it doesn't need no sugar, guys. The apple is sweetened enough. You could taste the ginger, everything tastes so good, real good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add just half of lemon. You can always use lime, and I'm just gonna squeeze it in my strainer. And it's just gonna add, you know, some freshness to your apple drink, okay? That's it. You wanna give it a stir. So here I have all my mason jar, guys. So now I'm gonna add some ice. I'm not gonna add ice to all of them, just 1. And I'm also gonna add some fresh mint. This is optional. And guys, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Make sure your mint is all washed. So now I'm gonna pour my apple drink. Look at that, guys. So refreshing. Look at that. You can just put it in your fridge or in your freezer so it lasts longer. I'm gonna add my remaining. Oops. I also have some apple that I cut up, so I'm just gonna add it. I love ice, guys. I love ice. Then I'm gonna add my fresh mint right on top, just for presentation. So there you have it, guys. This is how I made my homemade apple juice. I hope you guys do give this recipe a try. I'm telling you, it is so refreshing with the ginger. It is a must try. Look at that, guys. So good. It looks super refreshing. Don't forget to share. Please, guys, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me taste some of it for you guys. I'm gonna taste some more. Honestly, I give this recipe 10 out of 10. You don't have to add no sugar to it. It is so refreshing, especially with the ice. It is so good. Super good. And don't forget, guys, if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.